Hey everyone, I hope you are all doing really well. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to do some gold leafing on a canvas. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump straight into it. Also, if you are new to my channel, then please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and please leave a comment as to what videos you want to see in the future. The first thing you're going to want to do is paint your background onto your canvas. This video I'll just be doing a plain block color background. So once I have mixed the shade I want, I'm just going to be grabbing my canvas. Today I'll be using an old canvas which I'm going to paint over. And just basically apply your color straight on. So once your canvas is nice and ready and fully dry, you're ready to transfer your design onto your canvas. So for today's video, I'm going to be using this design, and I've already drawn it onto the canvas using a pencil. And you do not need to worry about the pencil lines as they will get covered with the gold. So with my design on my canvas, I am now ready to apply my glue. The glue that I'll be using today is called a metal leaf size, and it's just a bottle that I bought from Amazon. I'm sure you can find it anywhere in any craft store. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour out how much I need into a small tub so it's easier to use. And to apply that, you'll be using a paintbrush. So essentially what you're doing is painting your adhesive all over your design. Wherever you want the gold leaf to go, you'll be painting that part with the adhesive. Once that is all painted, it should look something like this. As it starts to dry, the adhesive will become clear and be very sticky. I've also gone over all the pencil lines with the adhesive. This way you won't be able to see them as the gold leaf will go on top and they will just kind of disappear. So now for the fun part, I'll be using gold leaf sheets and a paintbrush to get my gold leaf onto all the sticky parts. You can get them in flakes as well, but I feel like the sheets work better when you're doing Arabic calligraphy. So you just grab your sheet and you just layer them everywhere. Wherever there's glue, you just drop one sheet down and you just keep doing that until it's all covered. Once you get all your sheets onto your canvas, you're going to make sure that everything is sticking. So sometimes the flake doesn't really stick to the glue and you just have to use a brush and really just make sure it's all stuck properly. So I'm just going to sweep over my entire canvas with my paintbrush, making sure that everything is nice and flat and there are no air bubbles or creases. You can grab small flakes from the edges and put them down onto the parts where the glue is still visible. Once everything is nice and stuck, you can go ahead and start removing all the parts that you don't need. So with your brush, you're just going to remove all the bits that you don't need and just give it a nice clean edge. And with all the excess that's coming off, you can actually just collect it all and use them as gold leaf flakes. And that's it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments below what you think of this tutorial, and also let me know other tutorials you would like to see from me. Yeah, thank you so much for watching.